In this video, I will show you how to set a live wallpaper on the lock screen of your Samsung phone. Open Settings. Go to Wallpaper and Style. You can also add video wallpapers from your gallery if you want. And if you want to add animation video wallpaper, open Galaxy Theme. This way you can add more different types of live wallpapers.